time to binge. It says we watched episode 5 and 6 and you watched the entire season without me.
What is up, YouTube? I have so many talking points. For starters, somebody had mentioned in the comments on my brother's reaction that the son of Martin Kove is one of the kids in the second episode. I thought he was young Kreese, but he's not, because I started thinking about it. I'm like, that kid looks familiar. I am obsessed with this show called Alexa and Katie. It's on Netflix. He is Aiden and Alexa and Katie.
Drop that cookie.
What cookie?
I'm not Googling anything. I am so afraid that I'm going to see something that I don't want to see because I am only on episode 4. Even just signing on to YouTube, YouTube has been posting so many clips and scenes that I'm like, if somebody in the comments can confirm for me, I think the bully, the main bully that was dating Betty, is actually Martin Kove's son. He even looks like Martin Kove, but it's definitely not young Kreese because that's Aiden from Alexa and Katie.
It's hard to tell how much you like me.
We have Johnny. He's trying really hard through the whole episode to do the right thing, and he is making good decisions to better situations. However, at the end, broke my heart that he didn't go see Robbie. Johnny, couldn't you have called? I mean, we all know that Johnny doesn't have a cell phone. That kind of screwed over his friend, too. He was doing a favor for him, and he kind of just messed the whole thing up. Them stealing the donation from Miyagi-Do. Why are you stealing that donation? Why are you not condoning that behavior? We'll make sure that he knows it's from Cobra Kai. No, how about Cobra Kai holds their own freaking fundraiser and raises money like Miyagi-Do was doing instead of just running around and beating up people who don't deserve it. They could have doubled the profit for him. Sam visiting Miguel is a big move. I thought we were going to eventually see that. I didn't think we were going to see that this early on. He seemed happy to see her, but he was also sticking up for Tori a little bit too much. Like, he points out her scar and then defends her in the same breath almost. And then Hawk's little, like, you've done enough. You have a lot of nerve coming here. He's just making me sicker and sicker. Like, he is more and more obnoxious as the freaking season goes on. Daniel going to Japan is a huge thing. I needed a refresher on the Karate Kid 2. Distracted Nerd does a great recap of the Karate Kid 2. It's like just under 11 minutes, and it's really funny, and it was a good refresher because Chozen was the main antagonist in Karate Kid 2. We also had Kumiko, and those two are who I believe we saw in the trailer for this season. What other better way to introduce them into the story than when Daniel is in Japan? We're definitely going to be seeing them soon. Last but not least, I mentioned in my last video about Kreese being Johnny's father. Go watch me rant and spiral. A subscriber of mine, Savage J, commented and said, I think that Tori is related to Kreese. Blew my mind because I did not even consider that, but now that it's in my head, that makes more sense because, as I stated before, it has been a fan theory that Kreese is Johnny's father, and this show is very clever, it's very smart, so I don't think they would just hand that theory to us on a silver platter. I think they would toy with us and make fun of it like they did when the guy calls out Daniel for being the villain in the first episode. Tori and Kreese being related makes way more sense and would work better too with the storyline. My brother Jay pointed this out. Masters Reactions. He's doing the series as well. Go check him out. He's hysterical. You do not see Tori's mom at all. We get to hear her in the second episode. See her hands grab the sandwich, and she says, "Thank you, honey." I am obsessed with the YouTuber Dylan. He has a channel, Dylan is in Trouble. I learned from watching him that actors who do not have speaking lines don't get paid nearly as much as an actor who has a speaking line. And it could be so much as, "Thank you, honey," where it will, like, I don't know how much, but drastically increase their earnings. For them to not show us Tori's mom, but have her say, "Thank you, honey," makes me think, who is Tori's mom? I feel like Tori's mom is going to be somebody important, and that's why they're not showing her us yet. Maybe Tori's mom is Kreese's daughter. Maybe, I don't know. Now I'm like, I just read that one like an hour or two ago, so I need to spiral on it some more. Who knows? I don't know. I hope like there's actually some sustenance to what I'm saying and it's not just nothing and nothing happens with it and I'm wasting all this time spiraling down a rabbit hole.
Okay, I can see you're ramping up again.
But anyway, without further ado, we are going to jump into the 4th episode. Guys, if you have not subscribed, please do so. We do fun things here. Ring-a-ling-a-ling the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Like this video if you're like what you're seeing. Comment down below. Again, confirm for me, if someone can, who Martin Kove's son is. I think it's the main bully that was dating Betty. Without further ado, let's go. Season 3, Episode 4 of Cobra Kai, The Right Path. Banzai!
Fortunately, we have already made our decision.
Hey, how'd the meeting go?
I'm coming home with you, yes, don't worry. Sayonara.
Bye.
Sayahara?
What the hell am I gonna do?
Doesn't it say sayonara? Oh. That is a giant ice ball.
Best friend I ever had.
Are you visiting him while you are in town?
Suntory whiskey.
I wish.
Oh, try that.
In Japan, you can always visit someone. They speak to us.
Even when they are gone. The nature, the tradition. Spend your 4 seasons in Okinawa.
Ah! It's Miyagi talking to Daniel. Okinawa is where he's from.
I want you to kick this tree off the top.
I can do it, Sensei.
Well, what are you waiting for?
I can do it, Sensei. Then freaking do it.
Don't you want a running start?
Don't need one.
I hope he falls on his ass. Oh.
Fight smart. Do that, and you will always come out on top.
What if my surgery didn't work? What if I could never walk again?
Sweetie, you can't think like that.
I'm sorry, Bobby. I screwed up. Just tell Robbie I'll make things right.
Tell him yourself, Johnny.
Okay, fine. I'll tell him myself. I gotta go, Bye.
God.
A little out of it, but healing.
Good, so we can walk again.
It doesn't work like that.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Tomi Village. Wakarimashita.
Always wanted to go to Japan. I don't
When
think I
last
could
time
do
you
that
see
plane
Tommy
ride,
Village?
though.
It's been a while.
This looks like the town that time forgot.
Yeah.
I love these flashbacks they keep having with him. A red lobster in the Gap? Oh my god!
Look, I'm just trying to say.
What? That you're in my corner? Mr. LaRusso said the same thing, and look where I am now.
Yeah, forget about LaRusso.
Hey, quit holding up the line. Don't make me throw a shoe at you. Well, look at what we got here. He's stalking me for your boy.
I don't remember who that is.
It's gonna be a while. Don't know if you noticed, but I'm a little busy.
That's good.
Clearly, they've had an altercation.
Our Earth science presentation? Press the hadrosaur egg.
Not bad.
This meticulously assembled model represents the exact moment before the asteroid hit the...
Just more and more obnoxious throughout
Sorry,
the whole
man.
season.
Yeah, like you'll start anything, princess. Actually, why don't you go sleep around with someone new and break his heart?
What's going on here, Ms. LaRusso?
Did you not see
Yeah,
him
she
ruin
definitely
his
triggered me in my safe
project?
space.
What are you talking about? He started by destroying my science project.
That was an accident. I mean, you probably shouldn't bring your toys to school anyway.
I don't want excuses.
Wonder if that kid has it on tape.
Hey, consider this a warning, Ms. LaRusso.
When villagers' crops started to die out, village almost died as well.
So Mr. Sato turned to a whole new economy, retail.
So
Now,
no choice,
Tommy Village Green
basically.
is premier destination. It saved the village.
But this is nothing like I remember.
We have a Jersey Mike's. I have a menu if you'd like to see it.
No, that's
Jersey
okay.
Mike's. Is that Kumiko?
Daniel-san? Samuel.
Robbie, I'm really sorry. I wanted to be there.
But I picked
Something
Miguel
happened
over
at
you.
the hospital.
I get it.
Robbie, come on.
No, it's fine. I shouldn't be surprised that you chose Miguel over me again.
Hey, I'm not the one who put him in the hospital. Robbie, come on.
Don't touch me, Abby! I don't need you anymore.
Counselor Blatt will give us detention just for breathing near them.
Kick some balls at him.
I don't see her anywhere, do you?
It's like gonna be like hockey. Bash
Prove 'em
and
wrong.
check him. Ha
She loved you, you know.
Did you say?
Oh, yeah, she told me. Man, you had a good thing going with the hottest girl in school.
Yup.
And you ruined it. By becoming a loser.
ha 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 ha. Yeah.
Let's get him. Hey, remember what Sensei said. Fight smart.
No need to close the door.